Whoa! Oh ho ho!
Don't. Hey, you gotta stay in the middle. Okay, you gotta stay in the middle.
She would not leave her mittens on. Wow. Oh my gosh, Papa made this up. He fashioned a sled. Oh, what a sweet Papa. Oh my God, how cute. Oh. Wow. Oh, honey.
The pie tin that you got out now it's destroyed.
Oh. Wow, you are so awesome, John. Look at the baby, she's cringing. Wow, this is incredible. Whoa! She's grabbing the snow.
Stay right here.
Your hand's getting freezing, huh, baby? No.
Watch out.
Careful now. Hey, whoa, you got that right at my eye, just above my eye.
Don't do that. Your hands are gonna get cold. Yeah. Need to make a berm right here so we can do some fast turns. There we go.
Whoa! Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wee! Oh, so sweet. Oh my God. Again!
Right now.
Right now.
Oh.
Okay, you gotta give Papa a rest, honey.
John, will you pull me again?
I know.
Walk.
Oh, Papa needs a rest, you mean, hon?
Walk, John. Walk and pull me.
Honey, he's gotta rest a second, dear.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a lot of fun, I know.
That's a lot of fun, I know.
No,
No, don't throw it at me.
Don't do that. Come on. Go.
Let's go.
Wow, are you
Come
serious?
on.
Why don't you... Ow! I'm off my head on the food.
Faster.
faster, she says.
You cracking the whip?
Yep.
You the winter miser?
She's the winter miser. Look at those little cheeky.
Here we go.
Whoa! Okay, your fingers, hon. You need to keep them out of the snow.
Your hands are gonna get cold, huh?
Yes, are they hurting? Whoa! Boomy! What is Poppy, your work mule? Wow. Wow, this is incredible. Woo! Oh, honey.
I want to get out.
Okay,
Okay.
step up.
Here, I'll help you.
Help me. Thanks.
Can you stand up?
Yeah.
Wow. No, don't start playing in the snow with your bare hands. Well, I guess you'll learn by the cold pain. You need to get those mittens back on. That was amazing, John. He's so sweet. Honey, you need to get those mittens back on. That was so cool. God. He just made that up. Just made that right now. He's so sweet.
Bit more snow.
You're great, Pop. God, I know, huh? It's so nice and it stopped snowing.
Yeah.
So it stopped snowing. Hey.
Jimmy's got his snow machine out.